wished to design a luxurious mansion but stuck on a shoestring budget? About building it brick by brick. Today, we'll apply this to create your sturdy dream job budget. Hello, dream chaser and budget builders. If you're new on our channel, hit the subscribe button and the thumb up icon to make sure you never miss our engaging content. In today's episode, we'll don our construction hat and architect the perfect budget for turning dreams into reality. Ready to start building? So, striving for a dream can sometimes feel like building a sandcastle that keeps collapsing. Maintaining a consistent budget while embarking on this journey can be even harder. Well, worry not. We have the perfect blueprint to construct your dream job budget. Brick number 1, essential bills. Keep your essentials covered. These include your rent or mortgage, grocery, utilities, and so forth. Brick number 2, emergency fund. Life has a way of throwing unpredictable situations. Demand a well-stacked emergency fund aimed for at least 6 months of living expenses. Brick number 3, debt repayment. Make sure to always make at least the minimum payment on any debt to keep them under control. Interest and fees can quickly drain your budget if you ignore them. Brick number 4, dream job fund. Set aside a separate fund which will serve as your pocket money for fueling your dream job. This helps to ensure that your dream venture never get buried under the burdens of essential bills and unplanned expenses. And voila, your dream job budget is built and ready. Looking for practical tips to manage this budget effectively? Stay tuned for our next episode, Smart Budget Hacks for Dream Chasers. Actionable homework? Now, let's cement these bricks into your budget framework. Calculate your monthly income and divide it among these 4 bricks. Next, search for those choices you can trim. Could you cut down your $100 cable bill? Maybe reduce your monthly shopping bill? The dollars saved will add quickly to your dream job fund. Freelance on weekends? Or rent out your extra room. These multiple streams of income could quickly boost your dream job fund too. The key is balance. Don't be so strict that you make life miserable for yourself. And tell us in the comments below about the challenges and breakthroughs you face while creating your dream job budget. Before signing off, here's the fun note. What does a dollar bill say to the coin when it saw it in the bank? You make sense. So, budgeting for your dream jobs doesn't mean you need to become a miser. It's about making smart financial choices that ensure smooth sailing towards your goal. Keep building your dreams, budget builders. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing. Bye for now.